In this video, let's talk about Enveloper. You can find it in Audio Effects in Dynamics group. This plugin lets you shape the attack and release of a sound, or transients. Now let's see how it works. I like this sound, but I don't want that long reverb tail, and this plugin can fix that. The most important controls are the two gain sliders, one on each side of the display. These control the attack and release. Now I can minimize gain of the release and make it as short as possible. And just like this, we have removed that tail. Next, let's play with the attack, so we can add some snap to this sound. Now let's do the opposite. Minimize the attack and make release longer. You can use threshold to affect only the useful part of the sound. In general, you want to set it to the minimum value and leave it there. The look ahead slider defines how far into the future of the incoming signal enveloper looks to anticipate upcoming events. You generally don't need to use this feature. Now let's look at another example that has multiple sounds in one loop. We'll try to remove the room sound with Enveloper. Now we will make it sound softer and emphasize the room sound. And just like this, you can shape any sound. If you like my videos, subscribe and leave a comment below.